Hello, my name is Richard. This is part 2 of Dad's New Bird, part 2. And I always comment. Oh, come on. Where you at, boy? Come on. Yeah, go get you now. I'll give me some kisses, don't you? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Stop that. Help! Help! Oh, man. You fancy me, don't you? Oh, be careful. You fancy me, don't you? I got half me. Oh, whoa, 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 baby, you gotta behave now. Oh, yeah, come on. Oh, he's something my hair now. I'm watching you. I can see you right behind you. Oh, yeah. Oh, you silly bug. Hey, come on, be a little bit closer. Give me a handshake. Oh, give me a golden handshake. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, that red bird matches my red hoodie. You can't hardly see, but I can see you. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah. Ow! What are you doing? Oh, alright, go ahead. Be my guest. You're welcome to it, bird. Come here. What are you doing? You won't get nothing in here. You won't find nothing in here. Come here. Ow! Oh, yes. I'm over here, Comet. Hello? Come on. I'll come and get you now. Come on. Up. Hello. You're on TV now. Come on. Come on, remember me because I'm watching you. What? What? Come on. What, boy? What are you doing? No, no, don't eat it. Oh yeah, it's Mr. Bean. It's Mr. Bean. Oh, you like Mr. Bean, don't you? Oh, don't tell me you don't poop on my lucky hoodie. Oh, that wasn't good. Can you poop elsewhere in the garbage can? I'll have to go to potty train you. And come on. And it's funny, you know. Come on. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, no, you're my good baby. Ah, what you doing? Where is that bird when you need them? Oh. Where you going? I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. Oh, come on. Hello, the bib. Oh, come on. What, Squawky Pants? How do you do? Hey, give me that royal golden handshake. Come on. Oh, excuse, pardon me. Is that you? Is that funny? What did you say? Oh, come on. Come on. You wanna go? Hey, go in the... Come on. You wanna go downtown tonight, baby? You wanna go downtown? Hey! Oh, no, we're going. I got you this time. No, look at me. Look at the camera. Come on. Where is he? Come here, where are you? Oh, I can see you. Boo! Hello! What are you doing? What you doing? Come on out, chicken. Come on. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to call that name chicken. Ah. Alright, baby. Oh. You gotta sit down now. You gotta sit still. Good boy. Ew, taking the cell. You gotta, but I'm not doing those things. Ah, I want to see your bum. That's it. There we go. You know, camera shy, you know. Yeah. Oh, come on, chicken. I say you. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. That's the only time we got for today. Do apologise for that burping on that. That was my dinner, so do apologise for that. And him, I thought I blamed on him. Yeah. You say goodbye, everybody. Oh, stand still, bird. Yeah. And now, end of part 2. Enjoy this show. You say goodbye. You can say goodbye. Come here. Are you going to say goodbye to everybody? There have billions of people watching it by now. And so... we're interested in...